Happy Tuesday. Coming back with you again with another video about list affinity. On this day, September 20th, 2022, about how you can build your email list for your home-based business, for any businesses you are doing right now, and why you get paid for it. Here's the update about list affinity. I'm going to leave this update up. You guys can read it and go from there. Yeah, they got step-by-step. Build your list. Click on the landing page. They even got a landing page for you that you can use to do your thing. Build your email list. Nice looking landing page. Nice. It's all new right here. This is all new. It's a nice landing page right here that you can build your list with. It's free to join until you decide to upgrade to start building your email list. We all need email lists. It's not hard to put together. All you got to do is sit down and follow the instructions. You go from there. That's simple. It's not hard. So here's all the landing page. Good looking landing page. I like this one right here. Good looking landing page. Yeah, that's a good thumbnail. Good landing page right here. You go from there. There's no way they said we can't make no money. And go from there. Upgrade and get paid. So here's the upgrade packet. You can come for free. You can sign up for free until you decide to upgrade. Starter level, one-time fee of $25. Upgrade to Pro, and you go from there. This is what you get. I'm not going to read all this. I'll just leave this up for a minute. You guys look through it. Here's the Pro level. This is number one right here, the Pro level. You get everything. One-time fee, no monthly payment fee, no monthly fees at all. Excuse me, no monthly fees. Just one time plus one-time admin fee, so it's $125, and you set to go and set up your back office, and you're good to go. That's the update right here about List Affinity. Sponsor recommended. Learn how to drive traffic. Earn postcard offline. CBSU. And go from there. I'm with CBSU myself also. There's a lot of money out here to be made, y'all. There's a lot of money to be made. A lot of money. There's no excuse. See, like it says here, I like this right here. Wow, I like this. It's Amanda Ray. Yeah, Amanda Ray's killing the game. I'm proud of her. Yes. Yep. Yeah, she killing the game. So, my sponsor is Amanda Ray. How to drive traffic to anything you want to do. How to drive traffic. Blueprints. Yes. Nice. I'm proud of man array. Promotion tools. I to click. We got a lot of stuff on here in Lease Infinity. How to build. You guys already seen this. I'm gonna just put this up for a minute. Pro, and you go from there. That's a wonderful system. Referral program. I ain't got nothing yet. I just started to be what I gotta do, to do what I gotta do to get my list built. So this is this is a List Infinity program that you build your email list for any type of businesses, and you can sponsor your own business with this List Infinity. You can integrate it into the system. While people look, you share your link, and people join you for free or upgrade. It doesn't matter. You go from there. Add other affiliate offer. Just gotta get it upgraded. There you go from there. There's no reason. There is no reason that you say can't make no money at all. It's a landing page. Go from there. So, yeah. On today, making this video about Lease Infinity. That's my second video I'm making. You go from there. Here you get your referral link right there. When you join under me, you get your referral link right there. And whoever your sponsor is, it's all broke down. So I'm a free member right now. Free right now, but soon I'm gonna come upgrade soon. I'm not worrying. So this is all the setup right there that you need to do. All the setup. So it's free to join List Infinity. Join List Infinity today and start building your email list for any type of businesses. We all need leads, list, email to put in front of people that's looking for work from home. We have to put in work, we have to put in work. If you can't put in work, hey, that's not my problem. My problem is to help people to get tools, to start implement their tools to work from home. We all know about Unibeam, and ClickMagic, and Aweber. Those are autoresponder platform that auto-respond your email list, whatever product and services you're promoting. Yes, we all need that. So again, when you sign up, this is gonna be your referral link. Gonna be right here, up here, right here. Boom. And your sponsor, you guys can see this. So I'm gonna leave this up for a minute to read step by step. Step 1, complete the setup problem, and go from there. So yeah, we gotta find a way to find some work. There's work out here and online, on an internet line, internet marketing. There's work. There's work to work online. Postcard, flyers, anything to make money. Create your own job. Create your own boss. Be your own boss. Be who you are. You have to create it. Ain't nobody gonna do nothing for you. You got to create something out of nothing. Postcard is where it's at right now to get access to funding. If you don't have that, I don't just tell you. So again, all right, on this day, make this video on this day. I'm going to come back with you again with another video. Thank you and enjoy this video. Come back to you soon.